This is the TropicFeel Hive Backpack. And this is my honest review of it. I'm not associated with TropicFeel in any way. They have not sent me this bag to review. This bag was bought entirely out of our own money, or my girlfriend's friend's money, but my girlfriend has been using this bag for the last couple of years. She's used it from anything such as an overnight stay up to a month-long trip in the Philippines and everything in between, and it's been pretty good. The first thing I'll talk about with this bag are the internal features. This may seem a bit counterintuitive, but there's a lot less internally than it is externally, so I'll quickly run through that now. First is the clamshell opening. Inside you will find 4 mesh zipper pockets, 2 in the main compartment of the bag and 2 on the flap, the front flap of the bag. You will also find a laptop compartment, which is soft. It does have soft material inside and goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. And that's it. I think this is plenty internal storage and organization. The only downside to this is the fact that the laptop sleeve does go all the way to the bottom of the bag, so your laptop isn't protected. When you place it down on the ground, you can risk damaging it. Moving on with the speed run of the external features. First, we have the front stash pocket with the fidlock nipples. We have the elastic flap that can be hooked up top here and easily tucked away. On the side, we have the water bottle pocket with the elastic strap and G-hook. We have a felt-lined pocket at top with an internal zipper mesh pocket, a top carrying handle, 2 webbing toe straps with G-hooks on one side, along with a side carrying handle. We have the kangaroo pouch at the bottom. On the back, we have load lifters, these thumb loops, the adjustable sternum strap, can slide up or down on each side, a loop to hold sunglasses, a plastic D-ring, and elastic loops. We also have a secure rear pocket, which is passport sized and sits against your back when you're wearing the bag, a removable hip belt with elastic and zip pockets, an expanding / compression zipper section, as well as all zippers that give access to the inside of the bag being weather sealed. I'm now going to focus on a few features that I think are reasons to buy this bag, as well as a couple features that may make you reconsider. Beginning with the water bottle pocket. It's too small to fit anything above a thin 500 ml water bottle. And even that can sometimes be a bit difficult to get in, especially if the bag is full. This is my 750 ml Awala water bottle, and it's virtually impossible to get it in. That is way too much effort. The fidlock nipples, these are completely useless unless you have one of the expensive accessories. But I can see with the new version, they have done away with this system. And the last of the negatives, the main zipper to access the bag is on the front, which makes it less secure. Moving on to the positives. Firstly, it looks great. It's carry-on sized for most airlines and it's expandable. But my favorite features by far are all of the quick stow and easy access points all around the bag. The front pocket is great for sashing, say, a wet rain jacket. Easily fits in there, or you can put it underneath this elastic strap, like so. The top pocket is lined with a soft material so that when you store your glasses inside, they are less likely to be scratched, as well as this very neat zipper mesh pocket for storing your keys in there if you're brave enough to store them with your glasses. The shoulder straps come with thumb loops, and I've used these on my personal bag quite a lot, especially when the bag gets heavy and filled with camera gear. The hip belt obviously turns into a fanny pack, which I am a big fan of fanny packs, especially whilst traveling through airports. Fits a nice amount of items in there. A phone can easily fit into the bigger pockets with plenty of space still in the front and even in the main pocket itself where I've just put the phone. I think the phone might be able to squish it. Yep, you can quite easily squish it into the front pocket as well. And I wouldn't even say squished because it fits in there very easily. But above all, my favorite feature, which is probably a little bit odd, is just one tiny little piece of fabric on the shoulder strap, which can very easily and quickly stow your sunglasses in, so that when you're walking along, you don't have to put them into the pocket on the top, take the bag off. You can just very quickly stow them in there, and when you need them again, they come out nice and quick. So who is this bag for? Is it better suited for daily use or just getting your stuff from home to hotel? In my opinion, this is almost the perfect bag for both of those purposes. Whether you're staying overnight at a friend's house or traveling the world, it's the most versatile and comfortable bag that I've ever seen. And it comes with loads of great features. Sadly, for me though, the front opening and the small water bottle pocket make this bag a no-go. At the time of making this video, TropicFeel do have a version 2 of this backpack available. However, they have kept some of the bad features and gotten rid of some of the better features, such as the sunglasses loop and the sternum strap on a rail. In the next video, I will show you some of the accessories that you can buy with these TropicFeel backpacks, such as the compressible wardrobe, the packing cubes, a toiletry bag, and camera cubes, so you can decide whether or not these are worth purchasing for you. And that's a wrap. Cut!